Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Reggae artist Etana is gearing up for her 2020 Spread the Love World Tour. The tour begins in January and will see the Grammy-nominated artist making stops in Sydney, Melbourne and New Zealand. Etana had a successful year following the year-long Reggae Forever World Tour, which came to an end in December. The tour saw the Strong One performing in 36 dates. She also made stops in Kenya, Leeds, Germany, Denmark, Austria and Canada. A part of her list of accomplishments for 2019 was the release of her EP dubbed Dimensions, which landed at number 2 on the UK iTunes and number 4 on the US iTunes charts. The EP consists of 8 tracks and features collaborations with Beenie Man and Pressure Busspipe. The EP was the follow-up to her Grammy-nominated album Reggae Forever. Etana is currently in the studio working on her 7th studio album, which is slated for release during the summer of 2020. Now onto the international scene, where American singer Chris Brown recently released an extended version of his Indigo album. The R&B star dropped 10 new tracks, which now takes the album total tracks to 42. The extended version features songs such as Lower Body, which features Davido, Overtime, Flashbacks and Problem With You. Indigo was released in June this year and features guest appearances from Nicki Minaj, G-Eazy, Lil Wayne, Justin Bieber, Trey Songz, Tory Lanez, Tank and Her, just to name a few. The album was also recently certified platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America for 1 million units sold. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedren. Thank you for watching.